Welcome to Looking at the Markets. I want to show you the stocks that I'll be looking at for the coming week. These are daily candlestick charts provided by finviz.com. I want to start with CVS stock, which is coming down, it looks like, to a price that I like, which is $88, where there seems to be some support for CVS stock. I'm going to be patient. I'm going to wait, and if the stock gets down to my buy price, then I might buy. If not, that's okay. There are plenty of other stocks out there. I'm not going to try to, I got to be patient. That's how I have done well in the investing game, in the trading game, by being patient, while other people have trouble with that and they usually don't do as well. So you can pick your buy price and you can wait until the stock gets there. Or you can sell a put option if you want to buy 100 shares. That's another way to go. But we're not chasing. Humana stock, HUM. This is a symmetrical triangle, rising support level, and Humana stock is definitely respecting that rising support level, but also a declining resistance level. And so you get narrowing price action with that symmetrical triangle. Also, Humana stock has been printing lower highs, lower lows. So I'm not going to buy this. What I will do is watch it. And I want to see which way it resolves. Will it break out or break down? That's how I'm usually thinking with these symmetrical triangles as they get really narrow. So if it breaks down, I'm looking for support at $420 per share. Tesla stock, TSLA. This thing is down. That's what I was waiting for. I do want $100. It almost got there. As soon as you think a stock can't get to a certain price, the market will surprise you. Hey, when this thing was $380, if somebody said, hey, this is going to get down to $100, people would have thought, oh, you're crazy. And now here we are. And it came down to around $100. So even though it's above 120, still could get down to 100. Wouldn't shock me at all. And that's not a bad price, actually, for Tesla stock, in my opinion. Could start a position there. But hey, make your own decisions, do your own due diligence. Don't buy something just because somebody mentioned it in a video, okay? This is your money we're talking about. Be careful with it. DG, Dollar General stock. Look at that hard resistance line there, $260. Just this thing was banging its head, hitting its head on that level 260 again and again and again and again. And this is it's an ascending triangle. But man, some really hard resistance there. And it broke down below that rising support level there. So yeah, this is looking a little scary. Big air pocket down below. I'm thinking 190. There appears to be support at 190. You think it's not going to get there? Again, as soon as you think something can't get down really low, the market will amaze you and surprise you sometimes. So yeah, 190 would be good for Dollar General stock. Rivian, RIVN. Speculative. This is a company that's an electric vehicle startup trying to compete with Tesla and many others. So I'm not thinking a big position for this one. But if I were to take a small position, this is a pretty good place to do it. I mean, the chart doesn't look great, of course, but that's what it looks like when something goes down a lot. It's not going to look great in the moment. Are you a contrarian? Do you like a good value? Sometimes you got to buy low and sell high. Actually, that's not just sometimes. I always try to buy low and sell high. But sometimes you got to look at a nasty looking chart if you're going to do that. So, yeah, this is about as low as I've seen in a long time. Seems to be holding up that $16 level or so. So maybe for a small speculative position, could be good, Rivian stock. Pepsi, PEP stock. I would like to see this one come down to, here's the support level right here, 162 and 50 cents. It's a strange number, I know, but hey, the market's going to tell you where the levels are, and then you tell the market what your buy price is, and you insist on it, right? And don't take no for an answer. So, bouncing off of 162.50 here, actually a bunch of times back here, then a head fake below, but came back up, bounced off of it here nicely. Yeah, I'm liking the look of this one if it gets down to that level. So I'm going to be very patient about it. And I hope you're patient as well. No chasers. Okay, no chasing allowed. No. AbbVie stock, ABBV, is the stock ticker symbol. Again, I'm waiting for my buy price. You see it, don't you? I see it, 135. Just bouncing off of it. Bouncing, boom, right? And then you think, oh, it's never going to come back. Look at that, coming down. So pick your buy price and insist on that buy price. That's how I do it. I cannot tell you what to do. All right. You got to do what you want to do. What's right for your situation, your tolerance level, your account size, all that good stuff. So Coca-Cola stock, KO. Can you guess what I'm waiting for? Yeah, well, actually, I want it way down here, $54. That would be pretty darn good. Look at the amazing bounce last time it came down to just about 54 exactly. Wow, then boom, all the way up to this resistance level here at $65. Definitely resistant here, hitting its head on that number here, and then here and falling hard. And coming up almost to it here a couple times, kind of a double top here, triple top maybe even, head and shoulders, maybe, coming down. Yeah, I want this in the mid-50s. That's what I want. I'm going to be super patient with it, okay? Maybe get some Coca-Cola and some Pepsi. Why not, right? But they have to come down to the price that I want. All right, so if I had to pick one that I like the most, I would say CVS stock. I just want it down a little bit lower, $86. I think you could have a winner there. That's looking pretty darn good. So I hope we all learned lessons about patience today, about picking your price and telling the market what you want from the market. All right. Yeah. This is your money. You have to be careful with it. You have to deploy it in ways that you're comfortable with. So thank you so much for watching and for listening. I appreciate it. I will talk to you again soon.